Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to show you how to make some butterscotch cookies from instant butterscotch pudding. If there's any recipes you want me to make, please leave in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Today I'll be making butterscotch cookies. Today I'll be using this butterscotch instant pudding mix. In a bowl with 230 grams of butter, mix until smooth. Add in a quarter cup of white sugar and mix. Once it's incorporated, add in 3/4 cup of dark brown sugar. Give it a good mix. Add in the butterscotch instant powder and give it a mix. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time. Make sure before adding in the next egg that the previous egg is well combined. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix until well incorporated. To 2½ cups of flour, add in 1 teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix to combine all the ingredients. Then gradually add in the flour mixture to the butterscotch mixture, mixing well throughout each interval. Mix until a smooth, soft dough forms. Scoop about a tablespoon of the mixture onto a cookie tray. I dropped a few chocolate chips on top. You could also add the chocolate chips into the dough, but I just think it looks so much prettier on top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. These are so good, crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside, and the butterscotch flavor really comes through. Those added chocolate chips go really well with the butterscotch flavor. I hope you try to make this at home and enjoy.